Hi students, hope you have watched my previous video. In that we discussed about structure of eye, and there we discussed about cornea, pupil and iris. So today we are going to discuss about the most important part of the eye, that is lens. Okay, our eye also have lens. So this is lens. So you have already studied about two type of lens. Which are they? Convex and concave lens. So seeing the shape, can you identify this lens? Yes, that is convex lens. So in human eye, which type of lens present? That is convex lens. And as you know, convex lens will form which type of image? Real and inverted image. Real and inverted image. So here also convex lens forms real and inverted image. Now what's the function of lens? The light rays enter to the eyes, pass through this lens and bend towards and to a point which meet at a point. The light rays will meet at a point that we call as retina. So retina will act as a screen of our eye. So which is the screen of human eye? That is retina. Now when you heard about lens, you may see only the lens made up of glass, isn't it? Are you thinking in our human eye also that lens is made up of glass? No, it's made up of a jelly-like substance. So, human eye lens is made up of jelly-like substance. Okay, function of human eye lens is to allow the light rays to pass through it and forms an image. So it will bend to at a point to a point. Okay, as it is convex lens, it will converge to a point to get an image, and that will be formed at retina. Is it clear for you? So the light rays will pass through lens and it will meet at a point, that is retina. There we will get which type of image? Real and inverted image. Okay. Now, this lens, on both sides of this lens, we can see muscles present that we call ciliary muscles. Which type of muscles present on both sides of the lens? That is ciliary muscles. Now, what's the function of ciliary muscles? Function of ciliary muscles are to help the lens to change its shape. Okay, to help the lens to change its shape. For what the lens want to change its shape? Just to focus the distant and near objects clearly. Okay, to focus the distant and near object clearly, the lens want to change its shape. As you know, you can see both distant and near objects clearly, isn't it? That is due to the focusing of our lens. How it focus? It can change its shape because with the help of ciliary muscles. Is it clear for you? So ciliary muscles helps the lens to change its shape to focus. Okay. Now the image which formed on retina, that will be real and inverted. Light sensitive cells are present on the retina. So when the image formed on the retina, this light sensitive cells will activate and it convert to, that means the image will convert to electric signals. Got it? So on the retina, when the image form, this light sensitive cells present on the retina will activate and it will convert that image to electric signals, and it will send it to a nerve present here, that is optic nerve, and this optic nerve will taken to brain. So as I told you, we are getting a real and inverted image here. But are you seeing the objects like inverted position? No, isn't it? But how it is possible then? So, when the image sent to the brain, inverted image will be sent to the brain, and in the brain will again invert the image, so it will comes as erect image. So we can see as the object is. Okay, so the brain will give a message that we are seeing this object, that we can see it as it is. Did you understand? So the light passes first through cornea, then through pupil it will enter to the lens, then through this convex lens it will converge to a point on a retina. This light sensitive cells activate, it will convert to electric signals, then it will taken to optic nerve. This optic nerve will take this electric signal to brain, and the brain will give a message or information about what you are seeing. Okay, so this much about the structure of eye.